Hi, I'm going to show you how do you assemble a promo table. So this is what we have when you buy a promo table. You have got 3 trays, 4 pipes and the prints along with it. So the number one is the most bottom tray, which is going to be used in the bottom. And then there is 2 and 3 trays. Number 2 and number 3. So you put the print on number 1 tray. Please note the tray size of number 1 and number 3 will be exactly the same, and only number 2 tray will be slightly smaller. You have to fix this part inside the hole. You have to make sure that this thing gets inside that hole so that it fits properly. This is the most important thing to keep the promo table stable. So as you see, we have fixed this thing properly. This is the most important part. Now we have to put the second tray. Now the second tray, this is the top part and this will be the bottom part where the marking is done. You put the bottom tray as it is and it will fix with the support given. Then comes the number 3 tray, which you have to fix it straight. You have to put the top part on the number 3 tray. You have to make sure that the part on the tray gets inside the hollow and it gets fixed inside for proper stability. This part is little tricky, but it is easy to be done. And then we fix the top part with the rods on this. There are total 4 rods given. So this is how you install the promotional table.